Can we just be real for a second? I mean, when is this gonna stop? When are you gonna stop thinking that it can be done on YouTube or Google or any other social media platform, that this creator is just gonna tell you the magic thing and you're gonna figure it out on your own without a mentor, without a plan, without no kind of strategy, no advice, just you and a computer or your phone, and it's gonna magically occur to you? I'm sorry, it does not work like that. And I'm not saying this to make fun of you. I'm saying this to you because just like that, I was ignorant, right? And ignorant. Don't think I'm calling nobody stupid, but because here's the thing. There's a profound difference between ignorance and pure stupidity. Ignorance is when you have no idea what it is you're doing or how to do it. But stupidity is when you know what you should do, you know how you should act, you know what you need to be focused on, but you still choose to do something else or not what you're supposed to do. That is pure stupidity. I was there back in 2022. I realized that what I did was not working. No matter how hard I tried, yes, I made a couple $100 here, a couple $100 here, maybe a grand here or whatever it is, but I could not make consistent income. I could not get a consistent process, but I was still plugging away, trying to grind and do what I thought I had to do. Sometimes people think just showing up and doing something is enough. It isn't. You can actually do the wrong things every day and constantly hold yourself back and wonder why things have not snapped back for you. Wonder why you have not achieved a goal. See, people think a New Year's resolution is going to save you. It's not. You have to have a mentor, you have to have a process, and you have to have consistency in doing the right things long enough so you can be able to have success. Anything else is simply uncivilized. And I'm tired of seeing people think that they can buy something going to change their financial situation and then sit on their hands. Like, who do you think you are that real people just like you have changed their absolute lives and their income and their families, but they had to work diligently at it? Who are you to think that you can come in here and after 7 days or after 4 weeks that you could make all this money and figured that, oh, you cracked the code and you're some kind of unicorn? I'm sorry, in business, there are no unicorns. In business, there are people that have skills. There are people that may be talented, but talent coupled with consistency plus opportunity equals a remedy for success. So if you want to learn the plan, if you want to learn a skill set that 100% of businesses need right now, you have to understand something. You find a need and you fill it. Coupled with those things I just mentioned, you have a remedy and a proven plan for success that 10x my income and grew my following and help people understand what they need to change their income and their life, giving them more time with their family. Put yes in the comments right now and we can get started in changing the life. Or, you could keep doing the same thing.